Decor Designs, your destination for sophisticated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're looking to upgrade your home's exterior from standard to stunning, it's time to talk about the unsung hero of curb appeal, the modern front yard fence. Forget those flimsy traditional barriers. A modern fence is a deliberate design statement that offers privacy, security, and spectacular aesthetic value. Today we're diving into the meaning, the huge benefits, smart decoration tips, the best materials, and our top 10 best modern front yard fence ideas using the incredible inspiration you see on screen. Let's redefine your property line. A modern front yard fence is a structural perimeter element characterized by clean lines, geometric simplicity, and often a focus on natural, textural, or industrial materials. Unlike highly decorative or traditional fences like Victorian scrollwork or solid stockades, modern designs prioritize form meeting function. They often employ horizontal or vertical slats, minimalist colors such as black, gray, or natural wood, and seamless integration with the home's architecture. The design typically avoids clutter and elaborate ornamentation, opting instead for bold planes and simple repetition to achieve a sophisticated, sleek, and contemporary look. The goal is to define the boundary while enhancing the architectural style of the home rather than merely enclosing the space. The benefits of installing a modern front yard fence are multifaceted, blending practical advantages with powerful design impact. Firstly, they provide a significant boost to security and privacy without creating a hostile barrier. Many modern designs use horizontal slats that obscure the direct view into your yard while still allowing light and air to pass through, creating an intimate, shielded feel. Secondly, a well-designed fence drastically increases your home's curb appeal and property value. It acts as a cohesive extension of the house's style, making the property feel complete, well-maintained, and architecturally thoughtful, an immediate draw for potential buyers. Furthermore, a modern fence offers a defined edge and visual grounding to your landscape design. It can hide less attractive features, provide a perfect backdrop for minimalist planting beds, or simply delineate public and private space clearly. Finally, modern fences, often made from durable, low-maintenance materials like composite wood or powder-coated aluminum, offer longevity and durability, meaning less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your beautiful, secure outdoor space. Decorating a modern front yard fence is less about traditional embellishment and more about strategic integration and sophisticated accentuation. Since modern design values simplicity, resist the urge to hang excessive ornaments. Instead, focus on using the fence as a backdrop for carefully chosen plantings. Plant structured, vertical plants like ornamental grasses, simple succulents, or narrow evergreens along the base to contrast the fence's linear design. For color, use monochromatic or highly contrasted tones, such as bright green foliage against a dark gray or black fence. Another powerful modern decoration technique is lighting. Strategically placed linear LED strip lighting or subtle uplights, often called graze lighting, along the bottom edge can highlight the fence's texture and create dramatic shadow lines at night. This also enhances security. Finally, utilize architectural accessories such as sleek, large-format house numbers, minimalist mailboxes, or a custom-designed integrated address plaque to personalize the fence while maintaining its clean, contemporary aesthetic. The best materials for a truly modern front yard fence are those that offer durability, clean textures, and the ability to be shaped into simple, strong geometric forms. First, metal. Powder-coated aluminum or steel is popular for its sleek, industrial look, often used in thin, widely spaced horizontal or vertical bars. It's incredibly durable and usually finished in matte black or charcoal gray for a sophisticated appearance. Second, wood composites or hardwood. While natural wood is classic, modern designs often favor sustainable hardwoods like IPE or high-quality wood composites like Trex. These materials offer the warmth of wood but with exceptional stability, allowing for the popular clean, horizontal slatted look without the warping associated with cheaper timber. Third, concrete or stucco. For solid privacy fences, smooth rendered stucco or concrete block walls offer a massive, sculptural feel. These are often painted white or pale gray and used in conjunction with metal or wood inserts to break up the mass. Fourth, wire mesh or expanded metal. For a semi-transparent industrial edge, expanded metal mesh or tensioned wire provides security and boundary definition while maintaining visibility, perfectly suited to industrial modern aesthetics. Now let's dive into our 10 most favorite modern front yard fence design ideas, showcasing how different materials and structures can elevate your home. 1. Horizontal wood slats and stucco contrast. We start with the horizontal wood slats and stucco contrast. This showcases the quintessential modern look, clean, wide horizontal wood planks set against smooth white stucco planters. The horizontal orientation emphasizes width and modernity, while the contrast between the warm wood and the cool white concrete creates visual drama and perfectly frames the minimalist landscaping. 2. Traditional picket fence upgrade. Next, the traditional picket fence upgrade shows that even classic designs can feel modern. While still white, the fence here uses simple, thick, evenly spaced vertical posts, providing a crisp backdrop to the lush, colorful climbing roses. The clean, unadorned caps and strong geometry keep it from looking dated, pairing charm with contemporary simplicity. 3. Wood and black metal horizontal fence. Look at the striking wood and black metal horizontal fence. This design perfectly utilizes natural wood horizontal planks set between sturdy, dark metal posts. This combination provides a beautiful, earthy texture with industrial strength, creating privacy while the uniform plank spacing maintains a consistent, contemporary rhythm that complements the greenery planted behind it. 4. Sleek horizontal privacy screen. Idea number 4 is the sleek horizontal privacy screen. This fence uses thin, dark-stained horizontal slats across a wide entry enclosure. This style maximizes privacy and creates an intriguing texture through shadow and light, serving as a powerful architectural screen that obscures the living space while defining a clear, modern entrance path. 5. Vertical gray metal barrier. For high security with a modern edge, consider the vertical gray metal barrier. This robust fence uses strong, vertically oriented metal bars in a deep charcoal gray. The repetition of the vertical lines offers excellent boundary definition and security, while the minimalist, monochromatic color scheme ensures it integrates seamlessly with the clean lines of the contemporary house behind it. 6. The staggered horizontal metal gate. The staggered horizontal metal gate is a highly popular modern solution. This design features wide, dark horizontal metal slats incorporated into large, smooth concrete or stucco posts. The dark color and strong horizontal flow make the entry appear sophisticated and secure, perfect for automated sliding driveway gates. 7. Classic black vertical picket redefined. This idea demonstrates the classic black vertical picket redefined. A simple black wrought iron style fence with straight vertical bars offers a traditional shape but utilizes a sharp, dark color and clean line work to feel instantly modern. The transparency allows the intricate landscaping and tropical planting around the house to remain fully visible, offering security without sacrificing views. 8. Expanded metal mesh and stone foundation. For an industrial chic look, we have the expanded metal mesh and stone foundation. This fence features black expanded metal set atop a rugged textured stone retaining wall. The mesh provides a semi-transparent, durable barrier that casts interesting shadows, beautifully contrasting the organic texture of the stone base for a high-end, contemporary feel. 9. Full black horizontal louver fence. Our 9th idea is the imposing full black horizontal louver fence. This dramatic design uses overlapping horizontal slats in a deep black finish, offering almost complete privacy and a stunningly bold street presence. The structure functions as a sculptural wall, perfectly suited for large, modern estates seeking maximum boundary impact. 10. Mixed material estate fence. Finally, the mixed material estate fence combines smooth white stucco posts with thin black horizontal metal bars. This mixture of solid vertical elements and transparent horizontal lines offers an elegant, balanced security solution that feels highly bespoke and sophisticated, perfectly matching the luxury architectural lighting of the home. Choosing a modern front yard fence is one of the most effective ways to make a profound statement about your home's style and quality. Whether you prefer the warmth of slatted wood, the sleekness of black metal, or the solidity of concrete, these ideas prove that your property boundary is an opportunity for significant design impact. By focusing on clean lines, smart materials, and strategic planting, you can transform a functional barrier into a beautiful, valuable extension of your home. Now, I want to know, which of these 10 modern fence ideas is the perfect fit for your home? Let me know the image number in the comments below. If you're ready to start building your dream fence, hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips on transforming your living spaces. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we tackle modern walkway and driveway materials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.